Hello and welcome to HW News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on May 12th addressed India. He made some major announcement. First of all, he spoke about Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is he said that India needs to be self-reliant, and for that he cited 5 pillars which will help India achieve the goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat. In another major announcement, he said that Indian government is infusing 20 lakh crore in the economy as a fiscal stimulus package. This amounts to 10% of India's GDP. He said that this figure includes the announcements earlier made by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and the Reserve Bank of India. Let us hear what Prime Minister Modi exactly said at that point.
कोरोना संकट का सामना करते हुए नए संकल्प के साथ मैं आज एक विशेष आर्थिक पैकेज की घोषणा कर रहा हूं। यह आर्थिक पैकेज आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान की अहम कड़ी के तौर पर काम करेगा। साथियों, हाल में सरकार ने कोरोना संकट से जुड़ी जो आर्थिक घोषणाएं की थी, जो रिजर्व बैंक के फैसले थे और आज जिस आर्थिक पैकेज का ऐलान हो रहा है, उसे जोड़ दें तो ये करीब करीब 20 लाख करोड़ रुपए का है। 20 लाख करोड़ रुपए का है। ये पैकेज भारत की जीडीपी का करीब करीब 10% है। इन सबके जरिए देश के विभिन्न वर्गों को आर्थिक व्यवस्था की कड़ियों को 20 लाख करोड़ रुपए का संबल मिलेगा, सपोर्ट मिलेगा। 20 लाख करोड़ रुपए का एक पैकेज 2020 में देश की विकास यात्रा को 20 लाख 2020 में आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान को एक नई गति देगा। आत्मनिर्भर भारत के संकल्प को सिद्ध करने के लिए इस पैकेज में लैंड, लेबर, लिक्विडिटी और लॉज सभी पर बल दिया गया है। ये आर्थिक पैकेज हमारे कुटीर उद्योग, गृह उद्योग, हमारे लघु मंझोले उद्योग, हमारे एमएसएमई के लिए हैं, जो करोड़ों लोगों की आजीविका का साधन है, जो आत्मनिर्भर भारत के हमारे संकल्प का मजबूत आधार है। ये आर्थिक पैकेज देश के उस श्रमिक के लिए हैं, देश के उस किसान के लिए हैं, जो हर स्थिति, हर मौसम में देशवासियों के लिए दिन रात परिश्रम कर रहा है। ये आर्थिक पैकेज हमारे देश के मध्यम वर्ग के लिए है, जो ईमानदारी से टैक्स देता है, देश के विकास में अपना योगदान देता है। ये आर्थिक पैकेज भारतीय उद्योग जगत के लिए हैं, जो भारत के आर्थिक सामर्थ्य को बुलंदी देने के लिए संकल्पित है। कल से शुरू करके आने वाले कुछ दिनों तक वित्त मंत्री जी द्वारा आपको आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान से प्रेरित इस आर्थिक पैकेज की विस्तार से जानकारी दी जाएगी।
But do you know, a lot of money promised in the stimulus has already been announced. And the announcement that Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is making every day is a fraction of the entire package. How? Let us understand the breakup of 20 lakh crore economic package announced by Prime Minister Modi. First date to remember is 6th February. The Reserve Bank of India had already announced to increase the liquidity flow in the market. So under this announcement, the cash flow of rupees 2.8 lakh crore was cleared. The announcement was made by the RBI even before the coronavirus became a problem in India. Then March onwards, the coronavirus cases started increasing in the country. From 24th March, a nationwide lockdown was implemented in India. 3 days later, on March 27th, some announcements were made. In its address on 27th of March, the RBI once again took steps to increase liquidity flow. For this, the Reserve Bank of India cut the cash reserve ratio, that is CRR, by 100 basis points. This cleared the way for the cash flow of rupees 1.37 lakh crore into the economy. Similarly, the marginal standing facility was increased from 2 to 3%. This opened the way for banks to get additional cash flow of rupees 1.37 lakh crore. Through the targeted long-term repo operation, that is TLTRO, it put 1 lakh crore rupees into the banking system. Now, banks can avail loans from RBI through TLTRO for a long time, and this does not reduce the cash flow in the market. In this way, the path of cash of rupees 3.74 lakh crore in totality was cleared in the market. On the very same day, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced the initial relief package. The central government announced a relief package of rupees 1.7 lakh crore under the PM Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. The finance minister announced measures like sending money directly to the account of poor, laborer and farmers. Under the Ujjwala scheme, relief like giving free cylinders for 3 months was also announced. Then comes 17th April. On 17th April, the Reserve Bank of India then made several announcements, including the rupees 50,000 crore TLTRO 2.0, which was announced for small and medium-sized industries. Also, NABARD, SIDBI, NHB were given additional refinancing facility of rupees 50,000 crore. So, the total announcement by RBI was worth 1 lakh crore rupees. On 27th April, the Reserve Bank announced relief to save the mutual fund. Under this, a special cash facility of rupees 50,000 crore was also announced. Now, after Prime Minister Modi's address, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is announcing tranche of package for every sector almost for last 2 days. Today is the third day. The first was announced for MSMEs and that was valued at 5,20,000 crore rupees. Then the second tranche of announcement was made for agriculture and labourers. The amount was 2,50,000 crore rupees. Now let us calculate this entire amount. If we put together all of the package or relief that was announced by the Reserve Bank of India, then we get this amount. 2.8 lakh crore announced by it in February plus 1.37 lakh crore CRR rate cut plus 1.37 lakh crore MSF plus 1 lakh crore for TLTRO 1 plus 1 lakh crore for TLTRO 2 plus 50,000 crore for mutual fund. Now this total amounts to 8.04 lakh crore. Now let's add the package announced by Finance Minister. 1.7 lakh crore for PM Garib Kalyan Yojana plus 5.2 lakh crore, which is the first tranche of announcement, plus 2.5 lakh crore, which is the second tranche of announcement. This amount adds up to 9.4 lakh crore. Now let's add these two amounts and then we get 17.44 lakh crores. If we round up this figure, then consider that 17 lakh crore rupees from the package of 20 lakh crore has already been allocated in different schemes, and possibly the announcement that Nirmala Sitharaman will make today will be for the remaining amount or will be a part of that remaining amount. At the time of shooting this video, Finance Minister hasn't yet announced the third tranche of package, but by the time you see this video, it might have been announced. So out of the 20 lakh crore rupees for remaining 3 lakh crore or less, the announcement will be made today. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.